Hello, welcome to DigiPring. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this beautiful personalized Cabochon keychains from start to finish. Whether you're making them for birthdays, giveaways, souvenirs, or even for your small business, this tutorial is beginner friendly and easy to follow. For this tutorial, I'll be using Canva to create the design. First, open Canva and create a new A4 size document. Next, click Elements and search for Circle Frame. Add the circle frame by simply clicking on it, then resize it. Click Position and enter the size. Now, upload the photo that you want to use. Click on the image and simply drag it into the circle frame. Once everything is ready, download the design to your device so it's ready for printing. Now let me show you the materials we'll be using. Scissors, E7000 transparent super glue, hard UV resin, Cabochon keychain base with a gold keyring, clear round glass cabochon, and a mini UV lamp. If you're wondering where I bought these materials, I purchased most of them online from Shopee and Lazada. Now that we have all our materials ready, let's get started. First, I'll carefully cut out the printed photo. Next, apply a small amount of hard UV resin onto the printed photo. Then carefully place the clear round glass cabochon on top, making sure it's centered. Place it under the mini UV lamp and let it cure for about 60 seconds to 3 minutes, depending on the strength of your UV lamp. Make sure the resin has completely cured before moving on to the next step. Once it's fully cured, apply a small amount of E7000 transparent super glue inside the cabochon base. Carefully place the finished photo with the glass cabochon into the base and press it gently into the position. And that's it! The personalized Cabochon keychain is complete. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more DIY and personalized craft videos. See you in the next one! Bye!